Hey my queens, it's me, Clarissa here on Clarissa Says, where Clarissa says it all and that is how I feel. So we are back with another video and this is an install video. We are installing crochet butterfly locks. To be specific, individual crochet butterfly locks in the 18-inch 1B color. I wanted to make sure this style looked as natural as possible, so I did not do a crochet pattern. I individually braided my hair and then crocheted these into my box plaits that I gave myself with my hair, and you're going to see all the details on how to do this style and how to crochet your butterfly locks individually, or any locks for that matter, individually without wrapping any excess hair than just the hair that you purchase in the crochet packets. So no extra hair, just the hair that you purchase and your hair, a crochet needle, and that is it. That's all that you need to accomplish this style. And look guys, I am feeling myself. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comments down below, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are back. I have literally basically finished my entire set of hair. I only have about 2 left, and these are the 2 that I have left. I wanted to show you guys these 2 on camera to give you a full-on view on how to install these and how I install these crochet locks. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I did the individual method, and I want to give you guys a noted disclaimer, okay? So doing the individual method will make the hair look so much more natural, as you guys can see. But being that this hair, I want to show you the faux lock again, the butterfly lock. Being that this hair is so wrapped, you really have to force the crochet needle through the hair to be able to pull your hair through to hide it. And when I tell you this process took so long, I want to make sure I let you guys know that this process took long for me to do. Normally crochet styles are very quick and easy for me, but when I tell you doing the individual with a very thick it's butterfly lock, so you have hair coming out, different textures, different versions of wrapping within this butterfly lock. So it's thick and it's coarse, and it did not make it easy to pull my hair through using this crochet needle. Now, I did accomplish the goal, but when I tell you it took me so long, I started actually the first thing I did was part my hair and braided it like into these braids, which took me a good 2.5 hours because I have a lot of hair. And I also was doing a leave-in at the same time and putting in my oils and my moisturizer to make sure that my hair is sealed, locked in with moisture, and taken care of during this protective style. So that took a lengthy process to put the products in, comb it through, finger detangle it through, and then braid. And then to go and add these, and I'm thinking it's going to be a quick crochet in and out kind of process, and it was not. So it took me, by the time I was done with the braids, it was about, I would say 11:30, 12. I didn't finish this hairstyle until 7. So it took me 7 hours. Another key detail, it comes with 72 of the crochet locks in the pack. I did not need to braid my hair as small as I did. However, it looks very natural, like the braid consistency to the part consistency. You see what I mean? But at the same time, I didn't need to braid my hair. I had about 60, actually for a fact, I have only 1 pack of hair left. So you guys do the math. That's how many braids I use. I mean, that's how many braids that I have, and that's how many butterfly locks that I use. And honestly, for this style, you don't need to use that many unless you want it to be really full. I wanted it to be kind of like how I normally do my crochets. When I do a crochet, I use all the packs, and it looks really, really full, really, really thick, and it does look natural. And again, I am normally with the braid pattern that I use, I either braid them straight back, or I would braid like individuals and braid them into a cornrow going straight back, so that it mimics individuals, but it's not, because technically they're all connected going backwards. So, you know, and that right there gives you the illusion, but you don't have to pull the hair through, so it makes it a quicker process. Now, if you're working with regular faux locks and passion twists and pre-crocheted hair like that, then it will be easier for you to pull the hair through, because it's not as thick, coarse, and like the hair strands are not matted together. Like butterfly locks has like 2 or 3 different patterns depending on what kind of butterfly locks that you have, in order to get the illusion of the butterfly lock, like the distressed butterfly lock look. So you know, you're going through a couple of different layers to pull your hair through, and if they did it very tight knit, which, you know, you want it to look like that, then it's going to be hard to pull it through compared to other crochet styles and pre-crochet locks or twists that have looser patterns and looser hair, like that you can just unravel. So a lot of faux locks or new locks you can just unravel and put your needle through and pull it straight through, and it's an easy process. This was not. I want to make sure I make that very clear. However, I am glad that I did it. It just was way more time consuming than I thought. So if you do that, I want to make sure that you are aware that you don't have to do the individuals. You can do a regular straight back crochet pattern, or the individual, and then braid them together as you're going backwards, like I just mentioned, to give the crochet illusion. This time I did not want to have to worry about, you know, seeing my braid in between the crochet, and that's the reason why I use so much of all the packs. Whenever I get crochet hair, I use all the packs, just to ensure that I have as much as I can in my hair to hide my braids, that I have my cornrows or whatever pattern that I have. However, you don't have to do that. A lot of people don't use all the packs, even if they're doing the straight backs, because they like their hair to be thinner and less full and all that, but that's just what I do. So I'm giving you my opinion off of what I do. So again, if I were to get these again, I would not do the individuals, just to put it out there, unless I have a lot of time, or unless I'm planning on leaving my hair in for a good 2 to 3, maybe even longer, because that was very time consuming. Not as time consuming as it would have been to wrap my hair myself and do the butterfly locks myself, especially at this length. This is 18 inches. You know, everybody does the short. In fact, let me take it out for you guys so you can see. Everybody does the short butterfly locks. I got the long ones. And thank you, DUS, for giving us the trial of this product. I really did enjoy these locks, so I want to make sure I did let you know that. These are very weightless, they're very full, they're very cute. These would look so bomb in a color like blonde, brown, burgundy, even like a purple highlight, a blue highlight, even the gray ones would look really, really cute. Like, I'm feeling this hairstyle. So to give you a quick review, I would recommend you purchasing this hair. It is really good, really good, really good. I just want to make sure you are aware that if you're going to do the style individual, that it will be something that you're investing time-wise. If you're okay with that, sis, then go ahead and do it, because it does look better to me individually than it would look with the straight back crochet or whatever braid pattern that you choose to do. So with that being said, let me show you guys how to put one in and how I actually did it. So I took this crochet needle, put it straight through my braid like so. Then I put the hook through the loop of the crochet. Then I pull this through. I then open this back up and I pull my hair through. sometimes you don't have to do that, but for this type of hair and to give it the most flawless look that is coming from your scalp, you pull your hair through as well, because it will help you give you that look, that from your scalp look. So from there, I gotta breathe, guys. This is the hard part. So you're taking the crochet needle and you're putting it up through. You want to try to put it through the hair and pull your hair through, not crochet in. You want to try to go through. So I'm going to try to feel to see if I got an opening. Oh, I got lucky on this one. I got an opening. Going straight through. And another thing that I learned while I was doing this is that I can't just go from like the middle and try to push my needle all the way through again, because the hair has different textures. It did not work. So you have to literally go one by one. And you see how my hair is hidden in this? You see how it's hidden? Like you cannot see my hair through there. So yeah, now I gotta do that again. Try to find an opening. Ooh. And you may not be successful in the first, second, or third try, but you just have to continue to find it. Every lock is different, to be honest. This is actually a pretty good lock because I was having trouble with quite a few of them. Good thing that it is a distressed style, so it didn't look bad. But I did have a few issues when I first started, like in the back. You always start in the back when you're doing hairstyle, just in case you mess up. You can always cover it or redo it compared to the front of your hair. Okay, you work on the front of your hair once you've perfected the method that you're going to use for your style. See? And again, you cannot go all the way down here, pull it up, and then connect your hair and pull it down like you can other types of hair. This will not work. So you have to literally continuously find your inside, find the inside, loop the hair in, and pull it through. That's what you have to do. The hair may change the way that it is compared to how you were doing it, so you just switch it around. See that? It got tangled. There we go. And you gotta continuously do this until you get to the end. Like I mentioned, this was a really good one. Like, I'm surprised this came down so flawlessly. See? Look at that. And even right here, my hair is out, so I'm gonna even get this part as well, so that it is in there as much as I can get it to be hidden. However, because it is a butterfly lock, your hair is hidden regardless. I just don't want my hair coming out of it, being that my ends are different complexion, different colors than my roots and the shaft of my hair. So you're gonna have like a bright brown sticking out, which blends. And there we go. So let's do one more on camera for you guys, so you see how I did this style. But if I was not, see, this is a hard one, I can feel it. See, every last one was different. If I wasn't distracted, it was a quicker process. I got through a couple of them quicker. Once I started watching TV, it was kind of a done deal. But you know, I was up. I gotta do something so I didn't fall asleep. It was early. Quite like this style. Okay, let me not get into it yet. So this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys find this video very, very informative and it answered all of your questions. If it does not, please, please, please leave your questions down below so that I'm able to help you and answer anything that you may need to know about doing this type of crochet style. And again, you can do this with any type of crochet hair. Also, I wanted to make sure that you do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, share it to your friends, tell a friend, family, tell a friend, share it to Facebook, Instagram, you know, any social media platform, Pinterest. Tag somebody that does hair or a famous YouTuber and show them how I did my crochet locks, and just support me in any way that you can. I genuinely appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell on the right side of the screen when you do decide to subscribe if you are not subscribed. And if you have subscribed and have not hit the notification bell, don't forget to do that as well. For all of my OG subscribers, you guys know I absolutely positively love you and hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. And with that being said, guys, I'm out. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye, queens.